Recording at 3306 Northwest 72nd Street. That's 3306 Northwest 72nd Street. This is the shared section of the line where we are unable to pass from the neighboring home of Tina's. Looking at it from 3306. It's holding pretty heavy there. Coming back. Some separation at that joint. This is where Tina ties in. And there's again more separation at that joint. Coming further back into personal line of 3306. Some separation at that joint there as well. This is the tie-in connection for the sink line and some downspouts around on the west side of the home. This was a problem spot. We could not get past it first. We've gotten past it at this point. Looks like there's a soft blockage going on right here. Nothing too serious. I think it's just a matter of fact going through a toilet flange is causing me to not be able to get by that very easily. I believe this is the floor drain tie-in right here on the right hand side of the screen. That's the turn on the southeast corner of the home, I believe, coming back towards the east side of the house. There's a downspout tie-in on the east side of the home. This is the turn coming out of the house. This is in pretty good condition right here. Although the cast iron to concrete transition is a little offset, it looks like. Nothing too major. And the toilet flange where it coming from. I'm going to end the video here.